Hello, welcome back. It's Louise. I just wanted to show you some Christmas cards that I've got in my shop. They are printable ones. You download, print and cut. And I just wanted to show you that these 4 little ones are a freebie that's in my coffee shop. So if you go to the link down below, you'll be able to pick them up. I printed these on the bright white presentation paper, and then I glued them onto watercolour paper just to thicken them up, because the printer wouldn't take the watercolour paper, so that's how I ended up doing that way. And they're lovely and thick doing it that way. So that's them. You've got the bear, the camper van, the winter bits and bobs, and the bunny. So that's the freebie. In the kit you get 4 sizes. Is that right? Yeah. So that's the big size, depending on whether you shrink to fit or whatever. They're the bigger size, these ones, and I've just printed these on normal paper. Right. And then the next size is this kind of medium size. So that's the bigger ones, the medium, and then you've got like the small ones. And I printed these ones on watercolour paper that must have been thinner than the ones I just tried. And I've noticed the colour difference between the watercolour paper and just a plain copy paper. So it depends what paper you print it on as to what colour it's going to come out, and what grade of paper probably as well that you use. But anyway, that's the kind of middle size that you get, and then the mini ones, and these are just printed on copy paper just to show you the designs. They've got a frame round them, but you can cut the frame off like these ones, or you can keep the frame on. It's just a slight grey. You probably can't even see it. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you all the little designs, and they're good to just cut and print, and they're in my coffee shop and in my Etsy shop. In the coffee shop they're only £1, so you're getting all the sizes. There's 7 designs all in. So, but like I say, this one's the freebie, which is different to the ones that are in the actual pack. So that's it. Just pop along to the coffee shop, get these little freebies. You can use these to send to friends, or you can put them in your journals, great little cards, or make them little thank you cards just for the winter, or gift cards, ideal size for that. Just punch a hole and put your thread through it and just write to mum from blah blah blah. Right, so thanks very much for stopping in, and I will see you later. Bye.